OPPO Reno 16F versus OPPO Reno 16 versus OPPO Reno 16 Pro. The OPPO Reno 16 and OPPO Reno 16 Pro share a slimmer profile at 8.2mm, while the Reno 16F stands at 8.4mm. OPPO Reno 16 and 16 Pro both offer a lighter feel at 188 grams, compared to the 194 grams on the 16F variant. All three smartphones are equipped with AMOLED panels, ensuring vibrant and rich color outputs across the entire lineup. The OPPO Reno 16 and 16 Pro offer superior visual depth with HDR10 support, while the Reno 16F does not include it. The OPPO Reno 16 Pro takes the lead with a smoother 144Hz display, outperforming the 120Hz on the other two. OPPO Reno 16 and 16 Pro reach a massive 3600 nits, offering vastly better outdoor visibility than the 1400 nits. The Reno 16 and 16 Pro pack a sharper 460 ppi density, delivering cleaner details than the 397 ppi on the 16F. OPPO Reno 16 and 16 Pro provide a more immersive screen-to-body ratio of 89.5%, slightly ahead of the 89.1%. Enjoy sharper visual on the Reno 16 and 16 Pro with 1216 by 2640 pixels, beating the Reno 16F. The OPPO Reno 16F features a larger 6.57 inches display, giving more screen real estate than the 6.232 inches. All three devices are equally matched, featuring crystal guard to secure the displays against scratches and drops. The Reno 16 Pro dominates processing power with 3.4 GHz, outperforming its family members. The Reno 16 Pro boasts a superior Dimensity 8550 Super chipset, offering the highest performance still in this comparison. With the Mali G720 and C8, the OPPO Reno 16 Pro secures the absolute advantage for rendering high-fidelity graphics. The OPPO Reno 16 Pro analyzes the most aggressive performance in the lineup, making it a dream device for hardcore gaming. All three models run the exact same Android 16 with Color OS 16, offering a perfectly identical user interface. The Reno 16F packs a larger 7000 mAh battery, outlasting the 6700 mAh capacities found on the other two models. Power delivery is perfectly balanced, with all three variants supporting identical 80-watt fast charging capabilities. The OPPO Reno 16F stands out by offering a dedicated memory slot, a feature completely missing on the other two. Data transfer speeds are perfectly equal, as all three smartphones utilize the same UFS 3.1 storage technology. Multitasking is a breeze across the entire lineup, with each model packing a generous 12 GB of RAM under the hood. The Reno 16 and 16 Pro offer double the storage capacity with 512 GB, beating the 256 GB on the Reno 16F. The OPPO Reno 16 Pro stands supreme with its 200 MP main sensor, delivering unmatched photographic details. For video creators, the Reno 16 Pro leads the pack by supporting smoother recording at 4K at 60 FPS frame rates. Selfies will look equally sharp on all three models thanks to their matching 50MP front-facing cameras. The Reno 16 and 16 Pro capture much smoother front-facing videos with support 4K at 60 FPS recording. All three smartphones offer excellent durability, sharing the exact same robust IP69 environmental protection rating. None of these devices feature a 3.5mm audio jack, making them completely identical in terms of legacy audio. Wired connectivity is uniform across the board, with all three variants employing standard LC 2.0 port. Audio immersion is a tie across the lineup, as every single model comes equipped with a stereo speaker setup. Wireless audio and data sharing remain perfectly uniform, with all three devices utilizing Bluetooth 5.4. Contactless payments are equally supported, with all three models featuring yes, not all functionality built in. Biometric security is identical, as lead smartphones utilizes an advanced in-display sensor for quick unlocking. Network flexibility is balanced, with all three options supporting a modern combination of 2SIM and eSIM. High-speed connectivity is completely identical, with all three devices supporting advanced 5G and Wi-Fi 6. The OPPO Reno 16F emerges as the most wallet-friendly alternative, offering the lowest barrier to entry. The OPPO Reno 16 Pro wins this battle with 31 points, defeating the Reno 16 and Reno 16F.